Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest products and give you honest, expert reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Philips Epilator Series 8000, a versatile hair removal tool designed for women. This model promises smooth epilation with some impressive features. Let's take a closer look. The Philips Epilator Series 8000 is designed for wet and dry use, giving you flexibility when it comes to your hair removal routine. It includes a 3-in-1 device with both a shaver and trimmer attachment, making it a multifunctional tool for your grooming needs. The epilator itself features a unique rotating ceramic disc surface with micro ridges, which aims to catch even the shortest hairs, down to 0.5 millimeters. It also includes an inbuilt light to help you spot any hairs you might have missed. This model offers 8 different accessories, including a delicate area cap, a bikini trimming comb, an exfoliation glove, and more, ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable experience. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs in real-world testing. I gave the Philips Epilator Series 8000 a good trial in both wet and dry conditions, and here's what stood out. First, the design is user-friendly, and the ergonomics make it easy to handle, even in tricky spots like the bikini line. I love the built-in light. This feature truly helped me spot hairs that I would have otherwise missed, especially when I was using it in the shower. The epilator is effective, removing hairs from short to medium lengths with minimal discomfort, which is a big plus compared to some other epilators I've tested. However, one downside is that it took a little longer to achieve smooth skin on certain areas, like the legs, compared to a waxing session. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to note if you're looking for a quick, all-in-one solution. Additionally, the trimmer attachment works well, but didn't feel quite as powerful as a dedicated electric shaver, especially on thicker hair. If you're enjoying this review so far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Beautyistic for more in-depth reviews, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on new content. Your support helps more beauty lovers like you find our reviews. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the Philips Epilator Series 8000. On the positive side, the epilator does a great job of grabbing even short hairs, making it effective for those in-between waxing days. The variety of attachments makes it a versatile tool for various needs, whether you're trimming, exfoliating, or epilating. The ability to use it wet or dry adds convenience, and it charges fairly quickly, offering up to 40 minutes of cordless use. It's also very gentle, especially when using the delicate area cap. On the flip side, the epilator does require a bit of patience, particularly on larger areas like the legs. For some, this could be a deal breaker if you're after speed. Also, while the trimmer attachment works well, it might not cut as closely or efficiently as a dedicated shaver, so it may not be ideal for those looking for a close shave. In terms of value for money, the Philips Epilator Series 8000 sits at a mid-range price point. Considering the number of accessories included and its versatility, it's certainly a solid investment if you're looking for an all-in-one grooming tool. However, if you're simply after a shaver or a trimmer, there may be more affordable options that do just as good a job in their respective categories. When comparing the Philips Epilator Series 8000 to other epilators on the market, you'll find that this model offers a good balance of quality and price. While there are more budget-friendly options, the added accessories and dual functionality with both the epilator and trimmer do set it apart. Some competitors may have more advanced features, like a longer battery life or higher speed settings, but the Philips Epilator Series 8000 offers a solid all-round experience without going overboard. The build quality is solid. The plastic feels durable, and the design ensures it's easy to grip during use, even with wet hands. The ceramic discs add an extra level of precision and comfort. There's also a nice weight to the epilator, making it feel more premium than some lighter plastic models. I didn't need to reach out to customer support for this product, but Philips generally has a good reputation for responsiveness. They're known for providing decent follow-up on any issues, so if you run into any problems, you should be able to get the help you need. In terms of product alternatives, if you're on a budget but still want an epilator that delivers, something like the Bronze Silk Epil 5 may be worth considering. It's more affordable, although it doesn't offer as many attachments. If you're looking for something closer to the Philips Epilator Series 8000, but with a slightly larger range of features, the Bronze Silk Epil 9 may be a good upgrade. To sum it all up, the Philips Epilator Series 8000 delivers solid performance with a great range of features, making it a good option for anyone looking for an all-in-one grooming tool. It does take a little longer to achieve smooth skin compared to waxing, but the results are still excellent. The versatility of having both an epilator and trimmer attachment is a big bonus. If you value a multifunctional grooming device and don't mind a bit of extra time for a thorough job, this could be a great fit. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in the Philips Epilator Series 8000, check the comments below for the link to get it. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts if you've already used this product. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and keep it beautyistic.